Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather briefing for Tuesday, August 27th. Going to be seeing a very similar conditions today that we saw yesterday. Our winds are going to be a little bit less, so not really expecting a wind advisory today. Might see a very brief wind gust up to 25 knots along the immediate coastline as we go into this afternoon, but otherwise this is going to be remaining cloudy and seeing the very slight chance of an isolated shower today as well. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we do have a tropical depression well off of the east coast, not expecting to impact us here at Wallops or Bermuda, as this is going to be remaining a very weak tropical depression, or at the most a very low-end tropical storm as it continues to move north. And all that's going to pretty much do is continue to give us some onshore flow with some cloudy to overcast, mostly cloudy to overcast conditions as we go throughout today and into tonight. Then that little storm will continue to move northward, and we'll see those winds shift more northwesterly tomorrow, and then we will be seeing things turn a little bit more, or temperatures return to normal as we go back into tomorrow and into Thursday as well. Currently, as of 8:15 a.m., seeing some broken cloud decks between 2,000 and 8,000 feet, then some broken mid-level cloud deck at 16,000 feet. Winds were from the north at 5 knots. Temperature was around 69 degrees, and our humidity was at 85%. Taking a quick look at our radar loop here, we do have the slight chance for an isolated shower this morning. We do have this band of just some sprinkles just offshore. It's been slowly pushing its way westward as we have been monitoring this morning. It does look like it's kind of falling apart and stalling just before it reaches the coastline. If this band does make it ashore, it's only going to bring a couple of sprinkles here and there, so only expecting very slight chance for an isolated shower. Also seeing some very spotty sprinkles behind us as well, so we'll continue the very slight chance, about 15% or perhaps less, of seeing an isolated sprinkle as we go throughout the day today. Taking a look at our satellite loop, there you see that tropical depression 6 swirling well offshore. Only gonna be seeing this upgraded at the most to a minimum tropical storm as it continues to move north, and like we said, not expected to impact us or Bermuda as we go throughout the next couple days as it moves well north and northeast of the area. So for today, going to be seeing that high remain just below 80 degrees, around 79 this afternoon. Winds are going to increase from the northeast late this morning, around 9 to 14 knots, with slightly higher gusts. Then becoming east-northeasterly late this afternoon, and then winds will weaken from the northeast at around 3 to 7 knots tonight, becoming northerly tomorrow, around 5 to 10 knots by the mid-morning hours of Wednesday, seeing a low tomorrow morning of 70 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be continuing to see those ceilings around 2,000 to 2,500 feet throughout the day. As we go into late this afternoon and early this evening, we're going to see those clouds lower down to around 1,500 feet, but only expecting a few to a scattered deck at that level. And into tonight, we'll start to see those clouds clear up a bit, seeing a couple stars as we go into tonight with some broken mid-level cloud decks. And then by mid-morning tomorrow, just seeing a few clouds near 1,000 feet, broken at 2,500, broken at 7,000, and then some broken upper-level decks as well. We are seeing some higher tides out there along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning at 1 to 1.5 feet above normal. For tomorrow, going to be looking at mostly cloudy skies with a very slight chance of an isolated shower and a seasonable high of 85, so fairly similar to today with just some slightly warmer temperatures. Wednesday night, we're going to have some high pressure start to build in a little bit. We are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies early, but then those clouds should really begin to decrease late in the night Wednesday, expecting a low of 69 degrees. Then Thursday, high pressure with some drier air will begin to filter in. That'll remove much of this cloud cover, giving us a beautiful, mostly sunny day with a seasonable high of 85 degrees. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.